Hey YouTube, today I'm going to put the movie game plan in the microwave. It's got a lot of scratches on it, which I'm guessing you guys can't see. But anyway, here you go. Let's try 10 seconds first. Holy fuck. And it's done. Oh shit, that smells bad. Doesn't taste hot, which I think it might be. Oh fuck yeah, it's hot. Holy nips. And there we go. That looks pretty cool. Just a little bit of damage. Nothing that little buffing can't take out. Oh, that's great. I don't know what the hell the liquids are, but there you go.